Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Chris and today I'm going to do another update about what's happening currently for the Bitcoin price, because you can clearly see, guys, that one more day we are trying to close this daily candle, which is going to close in 24 minutes from now over $28,000, and we are fighting so hard to close this daily candle above the $28,000, which, as you know, is this blue line, which is a major daily resistance. And I told you that if we're gonna close a daily candle over this blue line, it could be a bullish sign for the next move of the next day. But you can clearly see that right now we are going to close that below this blue line, so this could be an indication of the next day, which is the Saturday, to see some dump on the price of the Bitcoin back to a level which I'm gonna show you in this video. So if you would like to know, guys, where we are heading according to this bull flag that we are forming in the daily time frame, and also if you would like to know if we're gonna break this symmetrical triangle in the 4-hour time frame upwards or downwards, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. Before we continue, I would like from you two things. The first thing is to smash 100 likes on this video, and because, guys, with this way you are helping me so much within this journey, and also with a very simple process of daily like, daily comments, share your friends, share your social media. You're actually helping me so much and appreciate you for this help and support from the bottom of my heart. A big thank you to everyone. And also, guys, don't forget to follow me on Twitter, because I'm updating you with whatever is happening within a day on the crypto space. That's why it's really important to have a follow on my Twitter. And something else before I jump into analysis: the Patreon, guys, the Patreon membership is on the corner. It's coming up in the next coming days, so be ready if you would like to start investing in crypto startups and make some more Bitcoins with the strategy that I'm gonna show you and reveal you through my Patreon. So let's dive straight into the daily time frame to begin our analysis, because, guys, as I told you, here we have three important resistance, and the first resistance, which is the most currently important, is this daily $28,000, which is forming into a daily time frame. And you can clearly see here that this daily candle of Friday is gonna close in 22 minutes, and probably it's gonna be under the $28,000. So this could be a very indication for the Saturday day. And also we have here this weekly resistance on $29,350, which, as I told you, the time that we're gonna break this massive resistance, we're gonna get straight into the most major resistance, which is the $30,500, which, as you told you, is the previous support of the bull run of 2021. So the time that we're gonna surpass this massive yellow line and stay above it, then obviously this could be the beginning of the bull run. And from the other side, guys, we have this massive support area of this bull flag, which is the area of $27,000. So if we're gonna come back here to $27,000 and break, guys, this massive support, then there is huge potential scenario to see massive drop back to this red line, which is the $25,200. And as you remember from my previous videos, I told you that this red line is the most crucial support for the Bitcoin, because, guys, if we're gonna break this $25,200, then we're gonna get lower, and obviously we can see again Bitcoin at $20,000. But there is a huge also potential to come back to this $25,200, and from that point, guys, to bounce upwards and get straight to $30,000 to retest or even break it. So be very careful with your positions, because right now it can happen absolutely everything. Personally, I told you, like in my previous videos, I remain neutral. I'm waiting for confirmations, because, guys, if we're gonna break this resistance of this bull flag and get straight and break every kind of this resistance that I told you, we have here on the daily time frame this technical price target of this bull flag, which is exactly at $37,000. And I believe, if of course we're gonna break all these areas, we're gonna get there in a matter of some days. Okay, of course not instantly to that high level, but we will need some days or even weeks to get there. Especially, of course, we will need to first break the $30,500 area. This is exactly from the daily time frame. And right now let's focus on the 4-hour time frame, because you're gonna clearly see here that we're forming a perfect symmetrical triangle which is going for a breakout. I believe we're gonna see a breakout, guys, until Sunday night. So let's see how we're gonna move on weekend with this symmetrical triangle. You can 2 touch points on the support, 2 touch points on the resistance, and we are going for a breakout. So right now, guys, you're gonna clearly see that the breakout is gonna be imminent, because here the 4-hour time frame is squeezing, but especially the daily time frame, as you can clearly see, has ended on the Bollinger Band squeeze. So it's imminent pump either to the upside or either to the downside. You can clearly notice that squeeze here after this Bollinger Band close and actually start squeezing. Guys, we are waiting to see an imminent move. Obviously, there is a potential to see a consolidation phase through wall Saturday and break the Sunday. So the imminent move is gonna be probably at the Sunday night, as I told you. If we're gonna break, guys, this resistance of this symmetrical triangle to the upside, we have a technical price target at $31,000. But if we're gonna break, guys, this symmetrical triangle to actually break the support, I mean, to the downside, we're gonna get straight to $25,200 to retest the most crucial support. And let's see, guys, what's about to happen. I believe right now it can happen absolutely everything. Everything is very volatile. Every person has a different opinion. The current analysis is right now neutral. We are waiting for confirmations. Personally, if you ask me, I tend more to bullish scenario rather than the bearish. And the reason of that is because the adoption, and also we're gonna see, guys, in the next coming weeks furthermore banks into a collapse, which if gonna follow the same path of adoption that we saw in the previous banks which collapsed, this is gonna be obvious a furthermore pump to the upside for the Bitcoin price, because Dixie probably gonna drop under $100, and this is super bullish indication for the Bitcoin price. Okay, and guys, as you can clearly see, here is also a very big signal that if this MACD gonna flip to bullish, we're gonna see actually this golden cross. This could be also super bullish indication, that because the last time that we saw this kind of flip, as you can see here, we began the bull run. So if we're gonna see this kind of a flip here, obviously it could be the beginning of the bull run too. And guys, I would like to show you also some indicators in the smaller time frame. Here we have the 4-hour time frame, which, as you can clearly see, the EMA ribbon, guys, is going for a flip into bearish, and that's gonna be indication of a furthermore dump to the downside. So if this actually EMA ribbon gonna flip to bearish, there is huge potential to break this symmetrical triangle to the downside and get straight to $27,000, or even below, straight to this technical price target at $25,200. Also, we have the exponential moving average, which you can clearly see this is still remain very bullish. Hasn't even squeezed to see any kind of a death cross. Also, the super trend in the 4-hour time frame remained bullish, and as you can understand right now, we are waiting to see some breakouts. So with a few words, guys, the situation of the market right now is looking boring. We are moving into a sideways movement for many days right now, and we are waiting to see an explosive pump or explosive dump to start analyzing again with more excitement. So that's what I would like to tell you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for my Patreon membership channel. It's gonna be super interesting. And guys, I'll do my next Bitcoin update. Your boy Chris out. Bye.